Hello, welcome everyone. Today we group 3 will explore the complex and sensitive topics of organ selling through the lens of the Six Thinking Hats framework. This approach will allow us to analyze the issues from multiple perspectives, fostering a deeper understanding and stimulating discussion. But first, we will proceed to a icebreaker. Next slide, please. So let's have a game. Yay. Two picks, one word. Guess the word that connects the two pictures. For each right answer, you will have 2 points for recitation. And that's it. Just comment your answer. Are you guys G? Comment G. Ayan. So we have a piano and the gun. What do you think is the answer? Ano kaya yan? Organ? Tama nga ba? Ang sagot. Tama, organ. Grabe, ang galing nun. Sino nakasagot nun? Si Julian Ramos. May 2 points ka na agad sa recitation. Sabihin natin kay sir. Okay, so next po. Ito medyo mahaba. Meron tayong traffic. Meron din tayong king. Sino kaya makakasagot na to? Nag-iisip pa talaga sila. Ang galing ni RJ. Trafficking. Tama kaya yun? Let's see. Tama. Alright, so next. May 2 points ka na rin kay sir. At masakit na tuhod. Or knee. Kidneys. Tama. Galing ah. Mga palo yung mga kagrupo ah. Next please. David. Ano kaya to? Transplant. Galing ni John Lloyd ah. Tama kaya? Tama. For our last guys, ang tatalino nyo. Ang galing nyo. Ngayon, magpo-proceed na tayo sa ating reporting. Okay, so sa white hat natin sa ating thinking hat, first, serious and ethical legal concerns, while the trade of human organs, primarily kidneys and liver parts, is illegal in the most thousands of deaths each year. This gap has led in troubling rise in black market activities, particularly in developing nations. Understanding the risk and motivations behind organ selling is essential for finding humane solutions that prioritize ethical standards and equitable access to life-saving transplants. So, bago natin mag-proceed sa next set, alam nyo ba na ang organ selling dito sa Pilipinas ay black market pa din. And it is not ideal na makahanap, lalo na para lang ito sa mayayaman. Next, please. So for our red hat, or represents the topic of organ selling evokes deep discomfort and sadness, as it highlights the troubling reality of individuals feeling forced to sell body parts due to financial desperation. This situation disproportionately affects the poor, raising ethical concerns and exploitation for those in need. Those emotional weight of organ sales underscores significant moral dilemmas and societal ano. May nakita siyang post, kidneys for 2.4 million. Tapos kailangan niya talaga yun, tapos shinare niya. So una, makikita mo parang fun lang yun or joke niya. Pero given the situation, possible na totoo niya palang iniisip na ibenta yung kidneys niya para sa ganung halagang pera. Kasi mahirap talaga yung buhay. Lalo na sa tulad natin na may third world countries. Next, please. For our yellow or sunshine, due to lack of available donors, highlighting the urgent need for solutions. Legalizing organ sales could significantly increase the supply of organs, shorten waiting lists, and provide safeguards. This approach could reduce illegal trading, improve living conditions for donors, and of course, ultimately benefit both donors and recipients in a transplant in an ethical manner. So sana ganito yung mangyari. Sana pwede nga na magkaroon ng sunshine sa organ selling. However, in our situation, medyo mahihirapan pa tayo dahil magpo-proceed tayo dun sa next hat. Next hat, please. Ayan, ang black hat o a stern judge. Organ selling possesses serious risk, including the exploitation of vulnerable individuals. This practice can exacerbate social inequality by favoring wealthy recipients while putting the poor at greater risk, raising moral concerns about commodifying the human body. And of course, in addition, the long-term physical and psychosocial, psychological effects on the donors are often neglected, with many facing health issues and inadequate follow-up care, leaving them missed about the financial benefits of their decision. So, ayun, kung meron tayong benefits, meron tayong benefit of the doubt din. Sa Black Hat, dahil sobrang possible nga na ma-abuse yung organ selling, lalo na madami sa atin na possible na maging biktima ng human trafficking. Ayan. So, next please. This perspective encourage a deeper exploration of organ selling, promoting open-minded discussions that challenges societal norms. By fostering creativity and fresh ideas, we can find ethical and sustainable approaches to organ transplants, similar to a thriving garden nurtured by fair regulations and strong healthcare systems. Innovations like stem cell therapy and lab-grown organs offer promising alternatives, allowing us to develop responsible solutions that for organizations while supporting those in need. So yun yung natin to our technology and sa galing ng mga doctors natin. So next slide please. For our blue hat, which is the sky and overview, wearing the blue hat help us structure the discussion organ selling, highlighting ethical concerns like exploitation of vulnerable individuals and the moral implications of commodifying human body parts. Instead of legalizing organ sales, we should explore safer alternatives such as promoting voluntary donations and of course improvising healthcare system or improving healthcare system. A comprehensive approach requires careful evaluation of all perspectives, prioritizing ethical solutions that protect both donors and recipients. So in the end, organ selling is not an option or it is not an ideal way to promote healthcare. In this situation, we should be preparing or doing something that is safer and more morally appropriate to our people. And that concludes, I think, our report. We still have next set. And so for our members, we have Maranya, Mikael, Joy Barot, Mirala, Marilao, George Michael Manzon, Mendoza, Micaela Marie Real, Naval Lorraine Ashby, Nicolas Nicole, Ann Medina, Palaruan, Colin Dolohan, Payawal, Alvin Lee, Keen Manabat, Perez Prince Merlin Delosmo, Bernicia John Lloyd Basoy, Puerto Lyra John Wela May, Puro RJ Cande, and of course Ramos Julian Agpawa. And that concludes our report. Thank you.